So hey guys, I will show you how to get free passes without spending cash. So first, you must go to your head and body. After that, so hey guys, I will show you how to get free passes without spending cash. So first, you must go to your head and body. After that, you go to skin. After you go to the skin, I want you to scroll down and click the advanced one. And you go to your torso and pick any color. To your left arm, any color. Any. So I chose gray. And then after that, you pick here peach. Because watch, if we go all and then pick this one, she doesn't have clothes. So if we do this, like we put any color you want. So I basically gray this like that. This is how it works. That, and then you pick here, that one. It's starting to disappear as you notice. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.